Hello students, today we are going to start social study of class 7th history chapter 1st changing India in the medieval period. Students, in class 6 we studied the social, cultural, economic and political changes experienced by humans over thousands of years. We understand how these changes transformed the nomadic hunter-gatherer humans into peasants who started living a settled life and went on to build towns, cities and kingdoms. We also studied many important developments of the period related to India. Some of these developments were the rise of the Indus Valley civilizations, emergence of the Vedic society, birth of Buddhism, and formation of the Maurya and Gupta empires. We studied the period from the initial years of human life on earth up to 700 CE. Now in class 7th, we will move forward in this journey with focus on India. We will cover a period of 1,000 years between 700 and 1750. This period known for many transformations means changes concerning human societies, covers medieval history and ends at a point when modern history begins. So let's get started. In this chapter we will learn about these important points: historical records of medieval India, concept of time in history, rise of new social and political groups, developments in religious traditions, rise and fall of dynasties and empires. First point is medieval India as viewed by cartographers. Cartographers means map maker. To study the history of a specific period of a region, historians use maps and texts of that period. What is map? Maps in ancient period. Earliest maps made by different people in different parts of the world. But those maps showed only those certain regions and their surrounding religion and reasons. No one exactly knew how big is the whole world and how it looks like. However, historians must take into account the changing information of historical maps and text over the centuries to be able to see history in proper perceptions. The maps of the Indian subcontinental of the medieval period, drawn by Arab geographer Al-Idrisi and a French cartographer Guillaume Delisle. After map, next point is textual records. Historians use coins, inscriptions, architecture and other textual records for the study of the past. These sources are important for the period between 700 and 1750. However, the textual records pertaining to this period far numerous than those of the earlier periods. Pertaining means related. These textual records include chronicles of rulers, biographies, autobiographies, judicial records, administrators, accounting and taxation registers. Account of the travelers who visited India, volumes on the techniques of saints, etc. Some of the textual records of the post 700 CE period of the textual records of the post 700 CE period are Tarikh-e Farista, a record of the history of the Delhi Sultans, Chronicles of Minhaj-e-Siraj, and Ziauddin Barani, works of Amir Khusro, a Sufi musician, poet, and scholar of the period, and accounts of travelers such as Birani and Ibrahim Battuta. I mean to say Ibn Battuta. As we can see, it was fashionable for the rulers of the time of have their reigns and lives chronicled. Next point is concept of time in history. Students, we will learn these points in the next video. Thanks for watching.